Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start the current affairs in English of 7th September 2022. So first of all we will discuss about the national current affairs news. So BEL means Bharat Electronics Limited has tie-up with the Smith Detection to manufacture the scanning systems. So Bharat Electronics Limited has signed an MOU with the Smith Detection for offering the advanced and high energy scanning system to the Indian market. So MOU has been signed between the BEL and Smith Detection. BEL was founded on 1954 and its headquarters is in Bangalore. Next is the Competition Commission of India CCI has approved the acquisition of Buildex by the PU payment. So the Competition Commission of India has approved the acquisition of IndiaIdeas.com, that is also known as Buildesk, by the PU payments. Next is for solving the most number of grievances. The UIDAI has stopped in the August 2022. So for solving the public grievances, the Unique Identification Authority of India, which issued the Aadhaar card, it has topped in the August 2022 ratings. The UIDAI was founded on 28th January 2009 and its headquarters is in New Delhi. Next is the in preventive detection. A report was released for 2021 in which there is a gradual rise as compared to the previous year, and the crime statistics is released by the National Crime Records Bureau. Next is the 28th edition of the status report on India's external debt of 2021-22 has been released, and it was released by the Ministry of Finance, in which the external debt has grew by 8.2% and foreign currency reserve has slightly lowered. Next is the Government of India has renamed the Rajpath as Kartavya Path. Now the name of Rajpath will be known as the Kartavya Path. And earlier also Modi government has changed the name of road where the Prime Minister residence is from Race Course Road to Lok Kalyan Marg. So now Rajpath will be known as the Kartavya Path. Next is the first LNG truck facility in India is opened by the Blue Energy Motors, and the vehicle will run on the LNG. The full form of LNG is the liquefied natural gas. The Blue Energy Motors has contract with the FPT Industrial in order to launch the first LNG truck with BS6. CEO of Blue Energy Motors is Anirudh Hubalka, and President of Iveco Group Powertrain Business Unit is Sylvain Blase, and Minister of Road Transport and Highway of India is Nitin Gadkari. Next is a new portal is launched by the Uttarakhand government, that is known as the Samarth e-Government portal, and this portal will provide all administrative and educational updates about the entrance examination, salary structure, appointment from 5 state universities and 140 public schools. And mainly this Samarth e-portal is launched to make the transparent system in the education. Chief Minister is Pushkar Singh Dhami of Uttarakhand, and there are two capital of Uttarakhand. One is the winter, that is Dehradun. Another is the summer, that is Garshen. Uttarakhand Governor is Lieutenant General Gurmeet Singh. Next is the Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi has launched a new scheme that is known as the PM Shri scheme. Full form is the Pradhan Mantri Schools for Rising India. This scheme is launched by the PM Narendra Modi mainly to upgradation of 14,500 schools across the country. Next is the Tripura has set up the India's first bio village. The name of village is Daspara. Daspara village is converted into a nature-based lifestyle and livelihood and reduced the use of chemical fertilizers, and the people of this village mainly depends on agriculture and fishery. So the Daspara village of Tripura becomes the India's first bio village. Next we shall discuss about the international news. So Liz Truss become the third female Prime Minister of United Kingdom. She belongs to the Conservative Party and she become the new Prime Minister of United Kingdom. Next, we shall discuss about the science and technology. The IAD technology, it is a new type of technology that is used by the ISRO mainly to send the payload to the other planets, that is on Mars and Venus. The ISRO had developed a new technology that is known as the IAD technology, means inflatable aerodynamic inflatable aerodynamic decelerator that is used for the future missions of ISRO on Mars and Venus. It was successfully tested by the ISRO. The current chairman of ISRO is A. Somnath and founder of ISRO is Vikram Sarabhai. ISRO was founded in the year 15th August 1969. Next is the joint venture company, that is HAL and L&T. Both will build the 5 PSLV rocket. So a contract is given to the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and L&T. Both combined have taken this contract for building the 5 PSLV rocket. Next we shall discuss about the awards. So Indian Army Chief is the Manoj Pandey has been conferred with the honorary rank of Nepal Army General, and this honorary title of honorary was given by the Nepal President Vidya Devi Bhandari, and it is given at the ceremony that is held in the Kathmandu. On occasion of the Teachers' Day, the President of India, that is the Draupadi Murmu, has given the award to the distinguished teachers of the country. About 45 selected teachers were awarded that belongs to different part of the country. Next we shall discuss about the appointment. So Krishnan Sankara Subramaniam has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of the Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank. So Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank has announced the appointment of Krishnan Sankara Subramaniam as their managing director and CEO. It is the Tuticorin based bank. The Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank was founded in 11th May 1921 and its headquarters is in Tamil Nadu. Next is the Chandrachud, who has been named as the new chairman of NALSA. He is the Supreme Court judge. The full form of NALSA is the National Legal Services Authority. Previously, that post will be held by the current Chief Justice of India, UU Lalit. NALSA was founded on 9th November 1995 and its headquarters is located in New Delhi. The motto of NALSA is Access to Justice for All. Next, we shall discuss about the sports related news. So India's Grandmaster, who is the Arvind Chitambram, has won the Dubai Open Chess Tournament. Next is the Max Verstappen has won the Dutch Formula 1 Grand Prix. So Formula 1 driver Max Verstappen has won the Dutch Formula 1 Grand Prix 2022. Next is the 36th national game. It will be held in the Gujarat. For 36th national game, the mascot as well as the national anthem will be launched by the Home Minister Amit Shah, and the mascot is named as Sawaj. That is means the cub in Gujarati, and the anthem of the national game is based on the theme of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, and it will be held in the 6th city of Gujarat, that is in Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, Surat, Vadodara, Rajkot, Bhavnagar. The IIT Madras has joined the Institute of Sports for innovative boxing analysis software, and this will create an analysis platform that is known as the Smart Boxer, and mainly to boost the India's boxing medal at the 2024 Olympics. Next, the Indian cricket player Suresh Raina has announced the retirement from the IPL. He already announced the retirement from the international cricket. Now he has announced the retirement from the IPL team. He will play for the Chennai Super Kings. So, thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.